on doing it, you dipshit. Here.
No, I need help.
No, you don't. Ugh. Ugh.
Trent, you're gonna fall soon. You might want to have your hands down.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Dylan. Stop, set it up.
Hey.
Dylan, don't touch it. Aw.
Right here.
Stop spinning it.
No.
Spin it faster.
Awesome.
Yeah, spin it
Go
back.
faster. Spin it.
You're about to fall.
I can't feel my feet.
Okay, spin it.
Spin. Go. Spin.
Oh, you pulled too hard.
Stop.
Trent, we're almost done. You get that?
No, here.
Do a setup. Do a setup now.
Sit up.
No.
Sit up, grab your knees, and then they'll spin it. It'll be fun.
Oh man.
I don't